Hi everyone, this is Shalini, mother of twins, and this is one of the twins, the elder one. Say hello to everyone. He's smiling. Okay, so hope you all are doing okay and safe in this COVID time. Uh, so this series we are doing the continuation of how to increase the breast milk supply, and we already covered about cluster feeding, pumping, and demand and supply. How to increase the breast milk. Today in this series we are going to cover about food, what I ate to maintain the nutrients in the body and to increase the supply of my breast milk, and some pranayama which I used to do to have the healthy blood circulation in the body to maintain the breast milk supply. So first we'll start with the food. Since we all know that nutrients is full of breast milk is full of nutrients, so when you have to produce a lot of milk, you need a lot of nutrients to replenish from your body. So you need to make sure that you eat balanced diet. You need to make sure you have a lot of calcium, a lot of iron, a lot of micronutrients to replenish for your body. For micronutrients, I used to eat a lot of nuts like almonds, cashews, and pistachios, pecans, whatever you have. Eat handful of nuts every day. And to make the milk fatty and more nutrient rich, I used to drink coconut water every day. I used to take coconut milk every day, and sometimes almond milk. So we'll cover about that in the following clip about the food. To increase the breast milk supply, I'm telling you, the garlic and sabudana were wonders, did wonder to me. The day I used to eat sabudana, the amount of pumping milk I used to see was almost like 30 to 40% more than what I used to get every day. So I used to eat sabudana almost like every third or fourth day to maintain the supply, and garlic. When I reached the second month after delivery, we know that breast milk supply has to increase after first month. So for that I used to eat a lot of garlic every day, like almost 4 bulbs of garlic every day, either in the form of chutney or you dry roast them and eat them. Whatever ways you want to eat, you eat garlic to maintain the to increase the breast milk supply. So we all have seen what all food we need to eat to increase the breast milk supply and to maintain the nutrients in the body. One more thing that you need to keep in mind, drink lots and lots of water. I just used to gulp water as and when I used to just walk around in the house. So whenever you get chance, drink water, as breast milk is 88% water. If you drink water, you will produce a lot of breast milk. So keep these two things in the mind. Eat nutritious food, eat food which helps increase the supply like sabudana and garlic, and drink lot of water. So we covered about food and drink lot of water in the previous clip. Now we are going to cover about pranayama, which I did to increase the supply. It's a well-known fact that milk is produced from your blood. So if you have good blood supply in your body, you will have good milk supply. So to maintain the good blood flow in the body, you need to do pranayama. Used to do alom vilom, which is alternate nostril breathing every day for 10 minutes. And while feeding, as and when I used to remember, I used to do deep breathing. Like this. And while pumping also, before pumping, if we do 2-3 minutes of deep breathing, it will help the body to relax, to calm down, and it will help to increase the pumped amount of milk. So I hope you all take benefit of what information which I provided and increase the breast milk supply for your new ones. Thank you, and do subscribe to our channel Twin Parenting.